TV's Ben Cleary is in Botwood tonight and joins us live with the latest. Ben?
Good evening, Michael. Well, the latest Liberal promise was 10 mobile primary care teams. It's like a family care team. It'll have a doctor and a nurse, but it'll be on the move through rural communities. And the first one, they say, will open here in central Newfoundland.
A re-elected Liberal government is going to introduce 10 mobile primary care teams, with the first one starting right here in central Newfoundland.
That's the promise from Liberal leader John Hogan today. Hogan says mobile primary care teams will travel to rural communities throughout the province, giving care to those who don't have access to a family doctor. The first mobile care team will be made up of a doctor and registered nurse who will travel on a regular schedule to towns like Fortune Harbour, Point Leamington, and Leading Tickle.
So I think we need to be flexible. I think we need to, as you said, work with the municipalities, work with the communities and see what works best for them, and not just have one model for every family care team or every mobile clinic throughout the province.
The Liberals couldn't give a number on how many people don't have access to primary care, but they say by the end of next year, 155,000 residents will be connected to primary care through family and mobile care teams. This doctor says mobile care teams, like the ones promised today, give small towns the chance to become more engaged.
For all too long, communities have not been a part of the recruitment and retention of health professionals in Canada, and they want to be an active part.
And the longtime mayor of Point Leamington says any access to health care is good news for residents in his town.
We have to get a doctor to come to Botwood. Now we have an ambulance, we'll take it up, but to see a doctor coming in like that, that'll be great.
While campaigning in Grand Falls, Windsor today, the Liberal team dropped by the Seniors Wellness Show at the local rink. We spoke to seniors there who say access to health care is the biggest issue on their minds in this election.
There's a great need to get radiation department going in Corner Brook. So many of the patients have to travel to St. John's. And Labrador, they've got to come down.
It'd be great to see more doctors in hospitals because our hospitals fall apart.
Yeah, more doctors. We're losing our cancer doctor, which I go to, and it's sad.
Just about every resident we've talked to in central Newfoundland, whether that's Gander, Grand Falls, Windsor, or now in Botwood tonight, say that healthcare is their primary concern in this election. The Liberals hope to address that for voters with promises like tonight's on primary mobile care teams.